What is the area bounded by the curve y squared is equal to 4x and x squared is equal to 4y? So we have here y squared is equal to 4x as our first equation, and this is y is equal to the square root of 4x. So with this, makikita natin that's 4x and this is y. So we have 0 tayo dito, no? 0. If we are going to substitute a positive number, then this is positive. If we are going to substitute a negative number, this is negative. And if we are going to take the square root, since that is the y, that would be undefined, or that would be imaginary, and this would be 0, this is plus and minus. So we know that this is parabola facing to the right. Kasi meron tayong positive and negative na value, no? Sa positive side ng ating Cartesian coordinate system plane. So, yung isang equation natin, we have the x squared is equal to 4y. So, our y is equal to x squared over 4. So, we have here, since x squared ito, we have x squared over 4, that would be 0 at x is equal to 0. So, if we are going to substitute a positive number, that would be positive. If we are going to substitute a negative number, that would be positive also. So, galing dito sa previous natin, we know na 0 siya dito sa ating 0, 0. Tapos may value tayo ng y plus and minus, no? To the right of the 0. So, ibig sabihin din ay parabola, no? Facing to the right. Well, this one, kung titingnan natin, 0 tayo sa origin, tapos positive lahat ng sagot natin. So, yung x yung naka-square, yan ay parabola facing upward. So, kung pagsamahin natin sila, yan. So, kung pagsamahin natin sila, yung isa ay parabola facing to the right. This is the equation of y squared is equal to 4x. Tapos yung isa naman is a parabola facing upward. Yan ay may equation na x squared is equal to 4y. So, since we are asked to find the area bounded by the two curves, ibig sabihin ang pinaka-compute na area sa atin ay ito. So, the next thing that we are going to do is to locate the point of intersection. Since this is the x sub 2, y sub 2, and alam naman natin na yung x sub 1, y sub 1 natin ay 0, 0. So, ito na lang yung aalamin natin. So, in order to find that, we just have to substitute our equation 1 to our equation 2. So, equating our equation 1 and equation 2, we have here the square root of 4x is equal to x squared over 4. So, square natin both side, kakaroon tayo ng 4x is equal to x to the 4th over 16. We have to divide everything by x, diba? Tapos ito, akyat na natin sa taas. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 4 times 16. Tapos, since magde-divide tayo ng x, hindi x cube na lang to. So, our x is equal to the cube root of 4 times 16 in order for us to find the value of the x. So, we have here the cube root of 4 times 16, and that is equal to 4. So our answer here is 4. So meaning, at x, no, is equal to 4, nandun yung point of intersection. So in order for us to find the value of the y, substitute lang naman natin, no? So kung dito na lang, kung yung x is equal to 4, so y squared is equal to 4 times 4. Our y here is equal to the square root of 16, which is equal to 4. So, meaning, ang coordinate na to ay 4, 4. Okay? So, if we are going to make use of the vertical strip, pwede natin siyang ma-solve. Kung mag-horizontal strip naman tayo, pwede rin natin siyang i-solve. So, i-solve na lang natin dalawa for the sake of the discussion. Ayan. So, para sa vertical, we have the dx, tapos ito ay y. No? So, for this, we have the area is equal to the integral of y dx. Since naka-x tayo, ang limit natin, x sub 1 up to x sub 2. So, our y here is equal to y up minus y low. So, identify muna natin yung y up. Yung y up natin ay ito yung block, no? So, yung block, that is the square root of 4x. Tapos yung y low natin, itong green, no? That is equal to x squared over 4, no? So, we have here the integral, limit natin, x sub 1, that is 0, no? 0. Ang x sub 2 natin is 4. So, that is 4. Yung y up natin is square root of 4x. Yung y low natin is x squared over 4. So, this is dx. We have here our area is equal to, this would be 2, tapos x to the 1 half na to, diba? So, kung i-integrate natin yon, kakaroon tayo ng 2, x to the 1 half is x to the 3 halves over 3 halves. Tapos, in here, we have minus x cubed, and that will be 3 times 4, so that's 12, from 0 to 4. So, taking, no, the reciprocal for this, that is 4, no? Kasi 2 times 2 over 3, so 4/3. Tapos ito ay x to the 3 halves, tapos ito ay x cubed over 12. So, limit from 0 to 4. Our area here is equal to 4/3 for the upper limit. We have 4 raised to 3 halves minus 4 raised to 3 over 12. And minus, we have 4/3. That would be, hindi ko na 0 lang din siya eh. Kasi 0 to, so that would be 0. No? So, we have here, make use of the magka-calculator na lang tayo para mabilis. So, that is 4 over 3 multiplied by 4 raised to 4/3 minus 4 raised to 3 over 12 to 4/3 ito. Raised to 3 halves ito. Ayan. So, we have here 16 over 3. So, our area here is equal to 16 over 3 square units. So, this is the answer for our area between the two curves using the vertical strip. What if we are going to make use of the horizontal strip? Okay, so kung gagamit tayo ng horizontal strip, we have here dy, tapos ito yung x natin. So, our area here is equal to the integral of x dy. So, yung limit natin dyan, since tayo ay naka-y, is from y1 up to y2. No? Kung titingnan natin dito, yung y1 natin ay 0, yung y2 natin ay 4. So, we have here, ang x natin is x to the right minus x to the left. So, we have x to the right. Ang x to the right natin, kung titingnan natin, itong green. So, that is square root of 4y. Tapos, yung x to the left natin ay ito yung kulay black. that is y squared over 4. So, yung area natin, this is the integral of 0 to 4, tapos square root of 4y, tapos minus y squared over 4 dy. No? Pansinin ninyo yung equation natin sa equation natin kanina. Kung i-compare natin yung equation na to sa equation natin kanina, ay pareho lang kasi dito square root of 4x, sa kanya square root of 4y. Dito ay x squared over 4, y squared over 4, dy to, dx to. Limit natin 0 to 4, limit natin 0 to 4. So therefore, we can say that our area is just equal to the same, no? The same with this, which is just 4 third y to the 3 halves minus y cubed over 12, limit from 0 to 4. So evaluating the limits, we can say that our area is 16 over 3 square units. Pareho lang sa napagdaanan nito. No? So, yan. Pareho lang yung sagot natin. Either we are going to make use of the vertical strip or the horizontal strip.